Hello everyone, this is Yash Saxena and you are watching SwadeshiVIP. Remember when food was so bland that you almost skipped meals, but the one and only Aachar saved the day. Pickles are not only delicious with any meal, but they also have numerous health benefits. Do you really believe this? Pickle is always adding drama and dynamism to dishes. One thought that causes a concern is the list of ingredients used to make a pickle. We have some family recipes that have been passed down through generations, or we just grab a jar of pickle from the shelf. Pickling is a method of preserving food that is typically done with chopped vegetables or fruits and spices. You might be surprised to learn that pickles have high nutritional value that is beneficial to your health. So let us learn more about the health benefits of Aachar with this video. A pickle a day brings antioxidants your way. While age is just a number, we don't mind slowing down the process, do we? Here is a thing about pickles. They are loaded with antioxidants, and if you aren't aware of the miracles antioxidants bring to your body, do you even care about your skin? Pickles have raw and unripe ingredients which are rich source of antioxidants. Antioxidants are the molecules that slow down the process of aging by maintaining the level of oxidants with or without free radical action. It makes you a better fighter. We are not talking about taking a punch to the gut. We are talking about your immune system. The all-rounder ingredient that no dish can go without, turmeric, is an important item in the making of the pickle. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties that boost your immunity, therefore makes you invulnerable to most diseases. So every time you chew on that pickle, remember this winning health benefit of pickle. Soak in vitamins and vital minerals. Pickles supply your body with vital minerals and vitamins, especially the pickles made with leafy vegetables like curry leaves, fenugreek, coriander, mint, spinach, and we are talking about star nutrients like vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, iron, calcium, potassium. These nutrients might be missed out on our daily diet, but now thanks to Aachar, you don't have to worry about it. Guess what's going down? Sugar. Pickle made with vinegar helps in reducing blood sugar level, which in turn improves blood hemoglobin. The presence of acetic acid helps you to maintain your sugar levels. Although, if you have diabetes, try to stay away from salted pickles as they increase blood pressure. In all, certain amount of pickle might just be helpful for a lot of diabetic patients. It also brings out burps. Since our Indian thali has so much variety, we need something that curbs the aftermath of heavy meal. That is one of the reasons why pickle has become a part of every meal. Our stomach produces certain probiotic bacteria that helps to digest our food. Our Indian pickles stimulate the growth of such bacteria which helps to evade certain digestive problems. If you are a big fan of gooseberry, aka amla, then you are in for a treat. Gooseberry is alkaline in nature that helps in strengthening and clearing the digestive system. Long live the liver. Liver health can be improved with amla pickle as it contains hepaprotective properties that protect and make the liver stronger. You can avoid a lot of liver damages if you have a pickle and keep this organ healthy. It also helps you to get over a hangover. All those fun nights sometimes results in a rough morning the next day. We have all been there where we had a little too much fun the last night. Well, now we have a cure for those sickening hangovers. Pickles help in replenishing the depleted levels of sodium. Also helps in rehydration so that your body can absorb water more efficiently. So, here are some of the benefits of pickle a day. Now you can eat Aachar to your heart's delight, but make sure your pickle portion is in adequate amount. So keep your health close and pickles closer. At SwadeshiVIP, we prepare mixed pickles in an age-old traditional manner. We leave no scope for adulteration and maintain the quality from the point of production till the delivery. A mix of 30 plus spices and 10 plus herbs gives it a wholesome touch. To get these mixed pickles, you can visit our website, the link is in the description, and also buy it from SwadeshiVIP app available at Google Play Store. So this was all about the topic. For more such information on cattle health and health benefits, keep watching SwadeshiVIP. This is Yash Saxena signing off. Thank you.